In a world where space is precious and sustainability is crucial, multi-utility homes offer the ultimate futuristic living solution. Introducing multi-utility homes, where space maximized, futuristic, water-empowered, and sustainable innovation converge to create your perfect home in the cosmos. Space Max Homes. In the vast expanse of the universe, space is a luxury, but multi-utility homes offer an extraordinary 73% carpet area compared to the typical 65% on the market. What you get in MUH's 900 square feet is equivalent to 1000 square feet in other apartments, giving more living space at a competitive price. Multi-utility homes are 100% Vastu compliant, aligning your living environment with the universal harmony. All master bedrooms are positioned in the southwest corner and all kitchens in the southeast corner. In MUH, all homes face north and east direction. Multi-utility homes are designed to accommodate space-optimizing furniture that can instantly transform your sofa into a fully functional bed, converting your entertainment room into a guest bedroom. Our innovative dining table folds away seamlessly, providing an open space to do yoga, host gatherings, perform rituals, or let your toddler crawl freely. Experience the functionality of a 3 BHK in a 2 BHK. Futuristic homes that transform your living. You will never need your keys again. It's more than just a security feature. It's a gateway to a futuristic, secure, and convenient lifestyle. Lock your door hassle-free with digital door lock.
Alexa, please switch off the lights. Okay.
Step into the future with voice-controlled home automation. Adjust your home ambience from anywhere using your voice or smartphone. Make everyday tasks easier with smart technology. Say goodbye to bag-breaking cleaning with our RoboMop, gliding effortlessly through our meticulously planned space. Where normal homes hinder the movement of RoboMops, MUH are built with furniture elevated 6 inches higher, allowing the RoboMop to glide through effortlessly and clean every corner of your home. Effortless, pain-free cleaning, thanks to MUH Space Planning. Enjoy uninterrupted connectivity while you are working from home or having a leisurely evening of entertainment with 5G Wi-Fi. MUH are equipped with built-in 5G connectivity, ensuring effortless home automation and keeping up with their multifaceted lifestyle. MUH maximizes common area energy savings with timer control lighting. All the lights remain on between 6 to 9 pm. 50% stay on until 11 pm and only essential light remains from 11 pm to 6 am. This reduces maintenance bills. Water-empowered living with MUH. India is predicted to be the most severely affected nation by water scarcity by 2050, according to the United Nations report. So we embraced the 3R methodology: reduce, reuse, and recharge. Reduce water wastage at source using aerated water fixtures without any compromise on usage. We reuse wastewater treated by award-winning Eco-STP for gardening, flushing, and car washing. This system operates without power, chemicals, or human intervention, resulting in nearly zero operational cost and saves you up to 1/3 of your maintenance costs. Rainwater is harvested into a dedicated sump. Stored and ozonized rainwater can quench water needs of the entire community for up to a month. This reduces groundwater dependency and in turn reduces maintenance costs. We recharge excess treated water from the Eco-STP and ozonized rainwater to the ground. An estimated net excess of 1.5 crore liters annually can recharge groundwater or can be utilized by the community, guaranteeing water-empowered living for future generations. MUH prioritized sustainability, earning a gold pre-certification from the Indian Green Building Council, one of the highest rating for green buildings in India. Choosing MUH is an investment of sustainable lifestyle, preserving Mother Nature for future generations. As an MUH resident, you would contribute to reducing water wastage by 30% and energy consumption by 20%. MUH are cooler in summer, constructed with advanced thermal-resistant materials like AEC blocks, foamed concrete, and cool roof tiles that prevent heat transfer and maintain cool interiors, hence reducing AC load, which reduces electricity charges by up to 30%. MUH utilizes solar energy to power common areas, reducing electricity dependency, also allowing you to pay lesser in electrical and maintenance bills. Enjoy a range of amenities designed for your futuristic lifestyle, from a multi-purpose turf and well-equipped gym to an elegant banquet hall, clubhouse for all ages, kids' play area, common EV charging station, and open party terrace for celebrations. With top priority CCTV surveillance at the stealth level, your safety is ensured. With multi-utility homes, you live a futuristic life of abundance in a community that helps you thrive. Welcome to a world where your home is truly your heaven. Welcome to Multi-Utility Homes.